Well, good morning, everybody. I'm pulling out of the drive. If I don't get hit by a pickup, there he is. I want to talk about that hurricane. To me, that hurricane, if I was in harm's way, I would be out of town. Sorry, that's my opinion on that one. People say, well, I can't go to the shelter, I've got dogs, or I can't do this and I can't do that. If I was even homeless, God forbid, I would push me a shopping cart and get out of harm's way. You have 2 or 3 days notice and warning ahead of time. It's stupid to stay there and take the brunt of the storm. It's $2.99.9 a gallon for diesel. So it's almost $3 a gallon, you might as well say. Oh, this is pretty good. I'm about ready to go camping again. That's what I'm thinking about doing. I hope I got fixed up this morning. Collar's about to kill me. Let's see, that one. Alright, I guess I'm alright. I hate high collared shirts, but I wear them every once in a while. I put in my teeth every once in a while. Right now, I am going to go see what the town has to offer. Whoa, my goodness, you should see the Cimarron River. That sucker's almost out of its banks. I wonder if I get back after that. Oh my God, it's way up here too. Oh, it's a half mile wide. It's up. All the wheat fields are underwater. Yep, this whole bottom's underwater. Yep, sure is. Well, high as water, mama, 2 foot high and rising. Remember that old song? A lot of people don't remember it. All we got is a homemade boat. That's the only thing we got left to afloat. We have been, what they call flooded in. If it floods one river and a couple of creeks, we're on an island. Basically, a big island. And it does get out of its banks. So, like I said, I'll have to go to my sister's house if I come back and the road's closed. I did put down enough food and water for a day or two for the pups, but I would probably, gas up here is 315.9 diesel. So I think I better get my tanks are all full. Where the hell am I gonna buy stuff? I usually buy it and store it in my generator at the house. Big tank. Yes, I just floated that stop sign, cop. That's the way I roll. I heard that on a video, which is, it's still illegal and it still should not be done, but I did semi-stop enough to where they consider it stop. When you consider stop is the wheel has to completely stop and then bounce back. So I did that much, but I didn't stay there. There was no cars in the other 3 stoplight lanes, so it was my turn to go. Well, like I said, maybe I should start videoing and editing and really get serious about this YouTube since it's been on it for 10 years. I think this channel's 4 or 5 years old. I used to put up a video and then take it down and delete the channel. Sure did. I didn't care that much. Still don't care all that much. I change hobbies and things and see myself every once in a while. Here comes a big old fifth wheel. Boy, them fifth wheels in this neck of the woods has surely got, there it went, surely got popular. I don't like them myself. You can't get back in the back country, you can't do nothing. So I ain't too fond of it. Well, better let you go, I ain't talking about nothing.